Let's cook up a tropical twist to the classic strawberry cake filling. Super simple to make with frozen and fresh fruit, and it takes just minutes. Way better than that stuff in the can.
We're gonna start with our strawberries, and I'm gonna have the recipe linked below so you can easily grab this. And then we're gonna add a mixture of mango and pineapple. Then we're gonna do a pinch of salt. And salt really just helps to balance out the sweetness of the fruit because fruit is very sweet. I like to add vanilla to filling because it just gives it another level of flavor. I'm going to add lime juice. And to get the most juice out of your lime, you can take your lime and just roll it onto your counter. I'm gonna do half a lime, squeeze that right into the pan. I'm gonna do the same thing with my orange. And I know this is a lemon press, but I have a little bit of a trick that I like to do. So I'm just going to cut this in half. Then what I'm gonna do is cut it in half again. Orange in upside down. So I've got a quarter of an orange, and then I will press that orange with all of the juice. Then I rotate it and I just get a little more juice out that way. So now I have a bunch of fruit in here, and you can see there's a lot of juice in the pot. I've got agave syrup. You could also use sugar. Keep in mind, you can also make a bigger recipe of this if you're doing a bigger cake. And then we're just going to put it on the stove.
Bring your fruit to a simmer over medium-high heat. In the meantime, you're going to make a slurry out of cornstarch. 2 tablespoons of water and 10 grams of cornstarch, or 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. And then just mix that together.
The next thing we're gonna do is we're going to blend it in a blender. Tip it away from yourself. And I want the texture to be not totally smooth. Definitely does smell like fruit punch. Then we're just gonna pop that back on the stove and finish off with the cornstarch.
Remember that slurry we made earlier? Slowly whisk that mixture into your fruit until it comes to a gentle boil.
I like to transfer all of my fillings into bowls because it gets them out of the hot pan and they start to cool faster. I think that's gonna make plenty of filling. Probably do a 10-inch cake with this amount of filling. That's how you make the strawberry fruit punch cake filling. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.
If you love cake, sourdough, or cake and sourdough, you'll love my channel, so subscribe.